Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Silent Hill F save game and config file location. I'll show you guys where to find it. Just need to open up File Explorer and go to C drive, go to users folder, double click on your username. If you don't know your username, then select the start icon. Here is your username and then just double click on it. And now select the view option and select show and make sure you checked this hidden items option, and then you can able to see this app data folder. Double click on it and then double click on the local, find SHF, double click on it, saved folder, save games, random numbers, and this is where all your game progress will be saved. You can take a backup if you want, and I show you guys the config file location. Go to saved and go to config folder, Windows, and game user settings. Right click and select open with and notepad. And this is where your graphics settings or be located. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.